going upstairs to business class. We're going to Dubai, and then we're going to South Africa.
So here's our plane. We're going to Dubai. Business class on Emirates.
Hi, welcome on board. The other side is all thank you.
Oh my goodness. Oh, this is nice.
Nice. Where are you?
We are on Emirates Business class. We have our own mini bar. Look at the TV. And then we have storage over here. We have a tablet over here.
So much faster than
Emirates. What do you think about this seat? Awesome. There's fresh flowers right there. Some of our favorite features of the Emirates plane were the numerous outlets, hundreds of movies, and endless Veuve Clicquot champagne. The menu featured entrees such as grilled rack of lamb or monkfish. Men and women's packs, and I got Bulgari perfume and lotion in here. We just got his amenity kit. There's special ones for men and women. Cologne and lotion from Bulgari. Don't spill. And yes, the beds lie completely flat. You look so cozy.
Only way to travel.
Now you just need a cup holder.
Cheers.
please have a little patience with me.
Right before takeoff, we got a welcome drink, warm towelettes, and it was time for our first of many movies. On this trip, I'm flying to South Africa through Dubai, so I'm watching The Lion King.
Don't leave me, girl, don't leave me.
Now, time to test out the food, which started off with a crab entree and monkfish. The food was a little bit hit or miss, but good nonetheless. And now it's time to close the shades and take a rest on this 15.5-hour flight. And we sleep under the stars that glow from within the cabin. And now it's time for the best part of the flight. Hey P, where are ya?
Oh, I'm in Emirates.
You're at the bar?
Bar.
Yes, Emirates Business Class comes with a bar, an area where you can stretch, grab snacks, and drinks. We have baklava here. Look at this. We're chilling on this sky bench here. Look at how cool this is. Now it's time to open the shades, grab some coffee, and some breakfast.
Hope you enjoyed the flight with us today. Wish you a pleasant stay and we're comfortable aboard journey. Thank you for choosing Emirates. Have a wonderful evening.
Even though the flight time was 15.5 hours, it didn't feel that long being in business class. And now we have a 4-hour layover in Dubai. So we just landed in Dubai. We have a 4-hour layover, and apparently there's some kind of easy pass and chauffeur service that you can use when you fly business. So we're gonna go try to find it. The downtown is pretty close to the airport, so. By the way, this airport is rad. That's what we want. Mike, what happened when we tried to get the car?
No comment.
So the car didn't come with our promotional upgrade, so now we have to take metro or taxi, but there's a cool flag right there. Look at how cool this is, look. Dubai!
We're in Dubai.
By the way, we were able to upgrade using the Emirates promotional discount. We entered into the Emirates rewards program and got an email right before our flight, and were able to upgrade. Luckily, the city center is about 30 minutes away from the airport, so we were able to catch a few sights on our layover. Along the way, we catch a glimpse at the high-tech modern city. Dubai has a metro system that connects from the airport, but we weren't able to fit it in and opted for a taxi instead, given our short time span. Our first stop is 45 minutes from the airport, the Burj Al Arab, which claims to be the most luxurious hotel in the world, with rooms starting at $1,200 per night. This right here is the beach in Dubai. That's the barrier. We can't go on that side because it belongs to the hotel beach club. But this is one of the most, if not the most, expensive hotels. This is the beach at night here in Dubai. It's really nice, really safe, windy. A lot of people are picnicking. And here is the flag. This is the spot to take photos. Look how misty it is. Mike, describe this beach.
It's rad, very dramatic.
Very warm too. And it's nighttime. It's like probably high 70s. Dubai! Okay, do you guys want to know what's beyond the wall? More beach! Yay! Now it's time to go to the Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the world at 829.8 meters high. It boasts the highest number of floors of any building at 163, and to get it all in one shot, you have to take a vertical pano. Welcome to the Burj. Wow! Dubai is an awesome city, but we're not staying long. We have to head back to the airport for another flight, this time economy class. Off we go! Please stay empty. Economy class and business class on Emirates are night and day. There's no premium economy on Emirates. It's first class, business class, or economy. On our economy trip, it's a full flight. The seats are much more cramped. The food is lesser quality. Here we have Indian style food, and the entertainment is a little bit more hit or miss as the consoles don't always work. I was able to catch part of the new Oceans movie. We definitely got a little spoiled on the business class leg of our journey. We hope that this video gives you an idea of what it's like to fly on Emirates. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more travel videos.